Study like a champ. Strategies for success. Hello, studying machines. We've all heard the phrase, practice makes perfect. But when it comes to studying, not all forms of practice are created equal. Excelling academically requires a combination of effective study strategies, time management, and a solid mindset. In this video, we will delve into study methods that champion learners swear by, backed by scientific research and expert opinion. 1. The Pomodoro Technique, breaks make the brain. First developed in the late 1980s by Francesco Cirillo, the Pomodoro Technique consists of breaking your study sessions into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by 5-minute breaks. These intervals are termed Pomodoros, after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that Cirillo used as a university student. Studies suggest that taking short breaks during learning can improve focus and retention. Why it works. Your brain needs time to assimilate information, and taking short breaks can prevent burnout and improve focus. How to implement. Use a timer or an app to track your 25-minute study sessions. Take a 5-minute break in between and a longer break after every 4 Pomodoros. 2. Active recall, interrogating your memory. Active recall is the practice of actively stimulating memory recall during the learning process. Instead of simply rereading the text, you are forced to retrieve the key ideas from your memory. Why it works. It strengthens neural pathways, making it easier to retrieve information later. How to implement. Flashcards, question and answer sessions, or simply teaching what you've learned to someone else can serve as good active recall methods. 3. Spaced repetition. Timing is everything. The concept of spaced repetition involves revisiting and reviewing material at increasing intervals over time. Software like Anki can help in automating this process. Why it works. Scientifically, this method takes advantage of the psychological spacing effect and is proven to increase retention over a longer period of time. How to implement. Use apps like Anki or create a calendar to schedule your review sessions. 4. The Feynman Technique. Understand, don't memorize. Named after physicist Richard Feynman, this technique involves explaining a concept in your own words, as if you were teaching it to someone else. Why it works. This approach forces you to clarify your thinking and fill in any gaps in your understanding. How to implement. Write down an explanation of the concept you're studying, then refine it until you can explain it as simply as possible. 5. Dual coding, use words and visuals. Dual coding involves combining verbal and visual information to help remember facts. Why it works. The brain processes visual and verbal information in different ways in different areas, so this dual approach increases the ways in which you can retrieve information. How to implement. Incorporate charts, diagrams, or mind maps along with textual information. Final thoughts. The goal is not just to study hard, but to study smart. By incorporating these techniques into your study routine, you not only make your learning more effective, but also more sustainable in the long run. Like any champion, it's not just about the hours you put in. It's about making each hour count. So pick a strategy or two to start with and get ready to study like a champ. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy studying and learning.